Okay, it's really, really cold. I think the low was negative 21 Fahrenheit yesterday. Today it's a little warmer, about negative 12. So I think, and I've had to jump start 4 cars in the last 2 days. So I think I'm going to try a cold start on my old Dodge pickup. This hasn't been started in about 3 months. So let's clear a little snow off here so I can get in, and we'll see what happens. Oh, the door's frozen. There we go. We got dome lights. That's a good sign. And again, I think it's about negative 12 degrees tonight. Oh, no problem. Fired right up.